Okay, so for this is question 3. For this one, it says the length of a female foot is normally distributed. It means that fits this bell curve with a mean of 22 centimeters, a standard deviation of 1. Suppose 500 females take the survey. Okay, what is the percent? So we start by finding the percent of women in the survey whose foot length exceeds 21 centimeters. So we're going to take our mean, which is 22, put that right in the middle. Since our standard deviation is 1, that means from 22 we add 1 to the right. For each time we add 1. And then from the 22 we subtract 1 from the middle to the left. So that's 21, 20, and 19. Okay, so let's look at our question. What percentage of women in the survey has a foot length that exceeds 21 centimeters? Exceeds 21 centimeters. That's beyond, so more than 21. So here's our 21. We just want to know the percent that goes from this line to the right. Okay, we can find that out from our 68, 95, 99.5 rule, the empirical rule right here. So here we have 34%, 34%, 13.5%, and 2.35%. That will all go here. If you add all of that together, you get about 84%, so 83.85%. So we'll say 83.85%. Okay, so that is our percentage. But we may also want to know how many. Okay, so let me rephrase this. We know that 83.5 or 83.85% of all women have a foot length that exceeds 21 centimeters. But let's suppose we want to find out how many of the 500 who took the survey has a foot length greater than 21 centimeters. So what we would do is we would take the 83.85% and multiply that times 500, and that will give us a number. This gives us 419.35. So how many women? So somewhere around 419 women from the survey we can say have a foot length that exceeds 21 centimeters.